How to remove the D-pillar trim from your Cadillac CTS wagon. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. First thing is just to pry down this plastic cover. You can even remove it if that's a little easier. And inside here is a 7mm bolt that you need to remove. So I have my 7mm socket right here. Just going to get this right out. So here's that 7mm bolt. So now you just need to pull the trim forward. And if you have the speaker installed, you just need to press on this tab to release the wire. Just like that, it comes right out. So this is the front of it. I'll show you the back. There's all these points where it snaps in. This is where the bolt goes. And then it has these alignment tabs at the bottom. And of course, installation is the reverse of the removal process. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.